Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Silhouette Scene, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Silhouette Scenes, and we're going to be using this one, and together is the perfect place to be. And I have a piece of the Sia Silhouette Designer Series paper. This is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. I'm just going to come in with my embossing buddy and rub that across here really good. And put a regular piece of paper down. And I have my VERSAMARK ink pad. Alright, so just like that, and then I have my sentiment mounted on clear block B. And then I'm going to come in with my black embossing powder. Alright, we'll put this back in. And now I'm going to come in with my heat tool. Let it warm up for a second. Alright, so I'm going to put that aside really quickly. And our card base is Night of Navy, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And I have a piece of Pacific Point, and that is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So we'll make our border here, and now I'm going to come in with our embossed piece. Alright, just like that, a quick and simple card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below.